What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see, intro out of the ordinary. We on the move. Wife behind the camera. Got Teeny back there. So what Teeny doing?
Teeny right there.
We got Teeny.
Hey, Teeny.
So we recording and we on the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Cause I left the camera at the house. So we're gonna vlog on this today, see how it turned out. But we just got that call from Lawless Street Cars. So we had to go get the camera lady car.
Yes, the Monte Carlo.
And she scared to drive back. So
No.
we finna get that footage of me driving the car. So I'm gonna, you know, I might burn her tires down since she's scared to drive the car. But now we headed to Lawless to go get the car. Then he got the pipes on too, so y'all gonna actually get to hear how it sound. So we gonna head together at the same time. So catch y'all when we get there. Alright, y'all, we're checking in. Got the Monte Carlo back. About to crank this bad boy up. Y'all know still gotta get the door fixed. The handle came loose. But it's all good. We're gonna get this thing straight now. Get all the cosmetic stuff done now. Gonna look like a whole new car. When all said and done. See how this thing sound, y'all. Pipes. Got no coat, man. Cold. Battery dead. Oh yeah. Yeah, the battery probably, of course, y'all. So we have to jump it out with the jump box, but good thing we got it. So we're gonna get the jump box and make it happen. Alright, got the jump box. This is the one I had. I keep that one in the Denali, y'all. So we got that hooked up. We'll have to get the battery charged up. I know this thing been sitting. Yeah. What's ain't connected good, y'all? Let's see. Be connected good. Let's see.
Yeah, I didn't let it run long. I didn't let it charge long.
All right, y'all see it, man. We're on the road. Monte Carlo thing riding like a sewing machine, man. Riding good. We had a little mishap, but it's all good. I ain't feeling that. I'm gonna show y'all that. Well, I ain't gonna show it. I mean, I'm gonna tell y'all about that when we get back. But y'all know I can't think when it's cold, man. It's cold out here today. Man, I ain't got the vacuum line hooked up in here, so ain't no heat. I'm just trying to get this thing home, man. It's cold. I ain't even let y'all hear it when we park it up, cause we had to jump it off and stuff. But I let y'all hear it when we get home. We just want to get it back to the house and we'll check back in. All right, made it back home. Hell of an adventure. All I can tell you, I got a lot to tell y'all. But y'all see this? It got a little hot when we got to the house. Not super hot. That's why the fan shroud is needed. If you ain't going down the road, if you're not going down the highway, you running hot. Trust me. That's why I need that's why the fan shroud is needed, man. I'm telling you. But we got that all figured out. But we got it here. It runs great. It runs great. But boy, I got some stuff to tell y'all about. This was an adventure. If I would have been recording all this, boy, y'all would have. All I can tell you, boy, but it back, man. But we done had a day, man. We've been busy, man. Besides handling business, but then got the call to pick this up and whew, Boy, we did not plan on being gone all day though, but it back. But I'm gonna get the stuff out, man. I'm gonna go in the house and tell y'all about everything. I'm gonna holler at y'all in the office cause it's too cold out here, man. I've been outside. Oh boy. What a day. What a day. All I can tell you. So I'm gonna get this covered up. Yeah, I'll holler at y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. We checking in. I wanted to throw this in the vlog. Somebody had contacted me last month, and they want to do something special for their boyfriend. So what I'm about to do is FaceTime her and surprise him, cause she want to do this for him for Valentine's Day. So we're gonna get him on, and then I'm gonna see if he want to say something on the vlog. But if not, then you know y'all won't see the clip. So y'all just stay tuned. Hey.
Hey.
All right. Where is he?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see what happened.
Come on, coffee. What's going on, man?
What going on with you?
Yeah, man.
What going on, brother?
Good man.
Man, I heard that.
You too, man.
Hey, you too, man. You too. What going on?
Yeah, man, I watch your YouTube every day, man.
Oh yeah.
For years, man.
Man, I appreciate that for real, man. I appreciate it. When she told me that, I said, yeah, we gotta set it up. Gotta call her. I gotta see her. Yes, sir. Man, everything going on all right though.
Yeah, everything going all right, man. You working all the time.
Oh yeah, I heard that, man. Hey, look, you know we gotta put you in the vlog now.
All right.
We gotta put you in the vlog. Look, I'm gonna turn you around. I got Wifey recording. So where you can just bring the camera over here. Shout out. Hey, you might have to cut the flash out though. I just thought about it.
It's fine.
Huh? Oh, you can see it good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, there you go. You on the vlog. Yeah. Yes, sir. Hey, you ain't gonna shout nobody out.
Oh yeah, shout out to everybody, man. Shout out to Jay Malcolm, his cousin a little crazy. Your Uncle Joe Buddy. Everybody, man.
Hey man, I appreciate that. I appreciate it. We had to put you in the vlog, man. Gotta show you love for real. Got to. Alright, so we checking in, y'all. We checking back in, man. Hey look, I like that, man. I love that, man. We was talking after the camera went off stuff. He been watching a long time. For real, like a long time. Like I was like, man, I said I gotta send him a shirt. That love, man. He been watching since Young Stoners days. Like, if people know Young Stoners, that let me know off top. They've been watching since at least 2010 or 9. Like my first YouTube upload was 2008. So man, when somebody been rocking with you that many years, I mean, through everything, they just say a lot. They say a lot to me. I feel a connection with them people for real. So man, I got to shout out his old lady too, cause she contacted me a month ahead of time. I'm glad I saw the message. And I was like, man, that God too, let you see the message. Cause I do get a lot of messages. And people probably know that. People probably hit me on Instagram. I get back to them super late, man. It don't be intentional, but I got 3 Instagram accounts. I got a J Mac 2004 Facebook. I got my 2 personal Facebooks, and you talking messages come through on all these platforms. So I'm like, sometimes I get the stuff late. So man, I like that, man. That was pretty cool right there for real. So, but I'm gonna tell y'all what happened with the Monte Carlo. I'm gonna put y'all on here first though, cause boy, my arm is killing me. All right, but yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all what happened with the Monte Carlo today, cause boy, it been an adventure. So we got the call that that the Monte Carlo was ready. So I was like, man, we about to go on and pick it up. So Jesse got I need to see if the lighting right too. Kendra, I'm seeing the lighting right, man. Call Wifey here. Call. I'm on the real camera. Do they look right? The lighting right on her?
Yes.
Oh, I had to call her. Call. I don't know what I'm looking like. I use the real camera, but we on the iPhone 12. But yeah, man, we picked the car up, y'all. I picked the car up, crunk it up. It sound good, man. It was so much stuff going on. I ain't even get y'all no outside clip of the exhaust. The car sound great. So first had to jump it off. Y'all saw that the battery was dead. So I'm getting off on the ramp, on the on ramp, and the car cut off. So I rolled over. I ain't even make it on the interstate. I rolled over to the side, and we pulled over. I'm looking on the hood. I'm like, what going on? I'm thinking the battery done, something with the battery done went dead again. So I put the jump box on it. The starter wasn't saying nothing. So I was like, oh man. I'm like, at this point, I'm like, what is it? What is it? So I called Jesse. Called Jesse over at Lawless. He sent the people out, man. Hey, shout out to Lawless, man. Lawless roadside assistance. But nah, they came through, man, checked on and everything, and the wire had jumped off the solenoid. It jumped off the solenoid, so the signal wire. So crunk it back up, fired it up. Shit, we rolling. Back on the interstate. I'm talking about car ride good. The car ride smooth. It run like a sewing machine, run like a champ, just like it did in Big Meats. I'm talking about ride. So I make it to my exit, and soon I get out the exit at the stop sign, boom, car cut off again. I was like, oh man. So I'm sitting right here in the middle, at the top at the stop sign. Wifey behind me. Then I can't remember his name, man. But he following all the way back, but they helped me. Lawless roadside assistant, they was gonna say, but he behind me, so he get back out. I look, the wire jumped off again. So he put the wire back on there. It was hot. We got the wire back on there. It keep jumping off, so I'm gonna change the end, cause it's a high torque start on there. If you remember the series when I put the engine in the car, it's a high torque start on there. So it's not a loop wire. It's just a female end that slides on it. So man, he put it back on there. Now the car won't act like ain't no gas in it. I'm like, man, what going on? So the fire up, cut off. So the gas station right there, we pushed the car and let it roll down the hill. I coasted to the gas station, got in there, put some gas in it, although I don't think it need none. The gas ain't working that car. And same thing, that mother, cut off. So I just idled the car. I idled the car up some, man. Then it started running like it's supposed to. And shoot, we made it back to the house. Get back to the house, and that's the clip y'all seen where I said running a little hot. Boy, I'm telling you, it's been an adventure. All this in the cold. I'm talking about freezing and all that. But y'all see, we got the Monte Carlo back home. Everything good. Shout out to Lawless. They got the wiring right. And they went ahead and hooked the alternator up for me, because y'all remember I had bought the pigtail, but I ain't never hook it up. So they wired that up. Checked the timing. The time was spot on. I had that on point. It just need fine tuning. The only reason the temperature went up cause ain't no fan shroud on it. So I might go ahead and put Wifey electric fan on it. Some the Riley electric fans, or one electric fan, and call it a day. I probably go ahead and do that. Or I'm just gonna put one on the Cutlass and take that piece off to put on Wifey car so she can bolt the fan shroud up and use it. So either way, the Monte Carlo have a fan shroud, and that's all. That'll solve that little running hot problem. Then the carb is just fine tuning. So we got all this rain coming through, and man, it's gonna rain until March. That's what I'm saying. It's gonna rain into March pretty much. So not for real, but that's how much rain coming through. So the next day I get, which right now it's saying next weekend. So I'm looking at, well, I gotta go to the track. So maybe next Sunday, unless I get a free day, I'm gonna go out there, jack the Monte Carlo up, and then I'm gonna change the end on that starter wire, so that'll prevent that wire from keep jumping loose. That'll stop that from not sending signal to the ignition switch. So the ignition switch not sending signal to the starter. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna change the end on that. We gotta still run the transmission vacuum, cause our manual shifting the transmission. since the vacuum not hooked up to the modulator. So I already got that vacuum hose. I gotta hook that up and put the fan shroud on, and Wifey good to go. We got LEDs. She gonna do the LED install, but she got the bulbs. She got the lenses. She got some more stuff, but they're coming on her channel. I'm just showing y'all the car back. And yeah, the Cutlass, I forgot to tell y'all what was wrong with the Cutlass reason it wouldn't crank. The alternator went out on the Cutlass. That's what it was. I just thought about it. I didn't tell y'all in the video yesterday, but the alternator had went out in the Cutlass. It wasn't charging. So that's all it was. And that's what we got right here. Boom, alternator, brand new. So next clear day, I will be throwing this on. The Cutlass will be all the way ready, cause I'm ready to test that bad boy out. I'm ready to test that thing out. That car is, I can't tell y'all what the doctor said he thinks is gonna run. The doctor done raced enough cars, man. I told him, I said, man, your number way off from what I was thinking. He said, trust me. Can't tell y'all what the doctor said it's gonna run. He said, when you put that thing on some slicks, it's gonna surprise some people. So, including me. So, I can't wait. But when I go out there and make it to Mexico and put the slicks on, make a pull, cause it's gonna be my first time making a real deal full pull. I know right then, cause I done rode in another stuff too. I done rode in an 8-second car, 9-second car, 7-second car, 6 and 5-second car. I rode in all of them. So I know as soon as I do that. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Another video. Monte Carlo back. Y'all kept asking about it. It's back at the house now. It runs great. It going up the road. So now I'm gonna get the little small stuff taken care of. And we on the cosmetic stuff. Shocks, springs, brakes, just like Dolo, we going in. Everything, man, like just going in quick. Deck about to get cut, 4.6x9s. Wifey been had the speakers. She been bought them. And we just about to go in, cosmetic stuff. So that's gonna be the quote, the bill for the year, gonna be Wifey car. So yeah, that's woo. That's it. That's it. So woo. So I'ma catch y'all tomorrow. I appreciate y'all tuning in every day. And